Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to let your friends or any member who want to join your design circle. Okay, so to show you guys how to do that and also some role. Alright, let's get into this. Okay, first thing first, you come to here your settings. Okay, join circle without trial. So this one you can turn on, you want to turn off also can. So usually I recommend just turn on, so easy for you to accept people. Okay, next you come into here, this member. Okay, so from here is under a circle member. So all the members here, this is you. Okay, if you never change name, this is by default, this is your name. Alright, circle member under review. So if you just now you turn off this turn off, okay, that will be under here. Reject, the approve reject will be here. Then those user which is expired will be in here. Alright, so from here to invite people, you just come here, press to join and scan QR or just copy link. So just copy link, okay, then you give to your user. Okay, so for example I just log in my account. Okay, then I just log in. Now here's the tricky part. Okay, so from here, this is I use incognito. Alright, this one is by default. Okay, this is by default. Okay, so here I have cookies and it's allowed. Okay, sure, it's allowed already. Alright, so for this case, in here it's blocked. Okay, so I'll show you the differences. Now since now this is blocked, I just press join. It becomes something like this. Then if I press my AiHouse account, then I got trouble in joining in. Okay, will look something like this. Okay, so in order to do it right, from here you press allow. Okay, if you are using incognito, if you're not using incognito, you see this situation, right? You must allow this third party. All right. So from here, come in, then I'm able to press join. So of course, general, personal, and I want to join design circle. All right. Once confirmed, let's press OK. This application will be approved. Please be patient. So it's successful already. Okay, once successful already, right? Okay, so I can from here. Then I come here and then I press like this. Okay, then when I press design circle, everything from here I can use and see. So just now is this called anything, right? So once I press anything, it looks something like this. Okay, I don't have any admin power and also it will look something like this. Okay, once you have admin power, it looks something like this. Okay, so as you can see, the role permission and all. Okay, so I can see in here the member, so I'm here already. Alright, so from here I just press setting. Okay, choose this one, choose role, tick this one. Okay, press OK. If I never tick this, right, I cannot apply some material on the cabinets. Okay, once I press this one setting, okay, press this setting button. So this is the time validation is here. Right, confirm that I just press this setting. Once confirmed, from here I can just start design. Okay, once I come in already, right? Okay, then from here I just create. Okay, okay, or I just take this one, I just put here like that. Okay, then from here, come to design circle. See, in here is because I got this one. Okay, allow. So for design circle, you have to allow cookies. Alright, if you're using in connector. If you're not in connector, also same. You must allow cookies only can. Okay, once you're in here, okay, I just drag one cabinet. Okay, come out. Okay, design circle. Okay, so come here, anything, I just drag. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.